Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students of maths class. Students, what all things we studied in last class? You just say, subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing and subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrowing. Today, we are discussing about some topics, subtraction of 2-digit numbers with borrowing and subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay. All of you take your text, page number 105. 105. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers with borrowing. One example for you. Example 1. Example 1. Subtract 59 from 87. Okay, subtract 59 from 87. Firstly, arrange the digit in according to their place value. Only two numbers, ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay, 87 minus 59. 87 minus 59. 87 minus 59. Okay, all of you listen here. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is possible? 7 minus 9 is possible? Oh, okay, no. Okay. Here, borrow 1 from 8. Borrow 1 from 8. ഇവിടെ 7 ൽ നിന്ന് 9 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഇല്ല. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? 8 ൽ നിന്ന് 1 borrow ചെയ്തു. Here cut 8 here. Then 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. 7. Here 17. In one's place 17. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. Okay. 17 minus 9. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. Okay. How many numbers we get? How many numbers we get? Once more. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. Okay, 8. Here, 8. Okay, next one. Next one. ഇതല്ലെങ്കിൽ വേറൊരു മെത്തേഡ് മിസ് പറയാം. 9 മുതൽ 17 വരെ എത്ര നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആണെന്ന് നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, 9 to 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many numbers? 8. Okay, once more. 9, 10, 11, here 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Okay, 8 numbers. Okay, then 8. Then 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. 2 is the Answer. Answer is 28. Answer is 28. I will explain one more time. 87 minus 59. 87 minus 59. All of you listen here. Okay. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is not possible. Okay. Then borrow 1 from 8. 8 is 1 borrow. Okay. Cut 8 here. Then here 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay. 1 is borrow from here. Here 17. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. Then 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. And 17. 8. Okay. Here we write 8 here. Then here 7. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. We get the answer. 28 is the answer. Okay. 28 is the answer. Then next example. Next one is example 2. Example 2. Then next one, example 2. Example 2. Subtract 48 from 72. Subtract 48 from 72. Okay, listen here. Firstly, arrange numbers according to their place value. Only two numbers, ones and tens. Ones and tens, 2-digit numbers. 72 minus 48. 72 minus 48. Okay. 72 minus 48. All of you listen here. Okay. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is possible? No. 2 minus 8 is not possible. Okay. Here borrow 1 from 7. Borrow 1 from 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6. Then cut 2 here. Borrow 1 from here. Here 12. Then 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is possible. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. 8. Then next number is 9, 10, 11 and 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? Okay. 4 fingers. 4. Answer is 4. 12 minus 8. Answer is 4. Okay, then here 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. It is possible. 6 minus 4 is possible. 6 minus 4 is, answer is 2. 24 is the answer. I will explain one more time. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is not possible. Okay, then borrow 1 from 7. Okay, 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Cut 7 here, then write here 6. Then, okay, this column cut 2 here, then write 2 and borrow 1 from here. Write 1. Answer is here 12. Then 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Answer is 24 is the answer. Okay. Students, borrowing in subtraction. Borrowing in subtraction. Borrowing in subtraction is also known as regrouping. Okay, borrowing subtraction is also known as regrouping. Okay, did you understand this? Okay, then next one is subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. One example for you. Example 1. Subtract 684 from 973. 684 from 973. Okay. Three numbers, 3-digit numbers. Firstly, arrange the numbers according to their place value. Ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. 973 minus 684. 684. Okay. 973 minus 684. Okay, all of you listen here. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is possible? 3 minus 4 is possible? Yes or no? No. What can we can do? Next, one example for you. Example 1. Subtract 684 from 973. Okay, subtract 684 from 973. Firstly, arrange the numbers according to their place value. Only 3 numbers, ones, tens and 100, 3-digit numbers. 973 684. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. 973 minus 684. 973 minus 684. 3 minus 4 is possible? 3 minus 4 is possible? No. 3 minus 4 is not possible. Okay, what we do? Okay, borrow 1 from 7. Okay, 7 minus 1 is 6. Here, cut 7 and write 6 here. Then, here, borrow 1 from here. 13. Okay, 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4. Answer is 4. Next one. Next number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 9. Okay. Answer is 9. 13 minus 4. Answer is 9. Next. Firstly, subtract 1 first. Subtract 1 first. Then next column, tens column. Okay, then 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 is possible? No. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Okay, then. Okay, borrow 1 from here, 9. Borrow 1 from 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Here 6. 16. Here 16. Okay, cut 6 and write 16. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. Answer is 8. Answer is 8. Okay, 8. Then next number is here 8. Next number is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many number? 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Answer is 289 is the answer. 289 is the answer. Okay. All of you listen here. I will explain one more time. 973 minus 684. 684. Okay. Listen here. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is possible? No. 3 minus 4 is not possible. Okay. Then borrow 1 from 7. Borrow 1 from 7. Okay. Here cut 7 here and write 6. Because 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. Here cut 3 here and write 13. 13. Okay. Then 13 minus 4 is 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Then here 6. 6 minus 8 is possible? No. Then borrow 1 from 9. Borrow 1 from 9. Cut 9 here and write 8. Because 9 minus 8 is, 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. Then here 16. Cut 6 is here. Then write 16. Okay. 16 minus 8. Answer is 8. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. We get the answer. 289 is the answer. Did you follow me? Okay. Next one is example 2. Example to subtract 389 from 790. Subtract 389 from 790. Okay, listen here. Firstly, arrange the numbers according to their place value. Only 3-digit numbers, ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. Biggest number is 790. Right here 790 minus 389. 389. Okay, 389. 790 minus 389. All of you listen here. Subtract ones column. Subtract ones first, then tens and then 100. 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9 is possible? 0 minus 9 is possible? No, not possible. Here, borrow 1 from, in which number? 7 or 9? Okay, 9. Cut here 9 and write 8 because 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, cut 0 is here. Then borrow 1 from here. Okay, here 10. 10 minus 9 is? 10 minus 9 is? Okay, 1. Then subtract tens. 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 7 minus 3 is? 7 minus 3 is? 4. 4 is the answer. Answer is 401. 401 is the answer. Okay. I will explain one more time. Firstly, subtract ones column. 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9 is possible? No. Okay, then borrow 1 from 9. Borrow 1 from 9. Cut 9 here and write 8. Okay. Then here 10. Okay. 10 minus 9 is 1. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. 401 is the answer. 401 is the answer. Okay. 401 is the answer. Next one is exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2, so many questions are there. I will explain some questions. Remains your homework. Exercise 3.2. Subtract. First one is subtract. Minus 79. 93 minus 79. 93 minus 79. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Okay. 93 minus 79. Firstly, ones and tens. Only two numbers. Only two numbers. Okay. Then 3 minus 9 is possible. 3 9 minus 9 is possible. Not possible. Okay, 3 minus 9 is not possible. Then borrow 1 from 9. 1 from 9. Here cut 9 is here. Write 8. Cut 3 is here. Okay, 13. Then 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. Okay, then 9. Next number is 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is? Answer is 4 is the answer. Then next 8 minus 7 is possible. Yes or no? Okay, yes. 8 minus 7 is 1. 14 is the answer. 14 is the answer. Next one. B. Next one is 81 minus 46. 81 minus 46. Minus 46. Next. 81 minus 41. 46. Ones and tens. Only two numbers, ones and tens. 1 minus 6 is possible. It is possible? No. Okay, good. Okay. Borrow 1 from which number? Borrow 1 from 8. Borrow 1 from 8. Here 8 is cut. Right, 7 is here and okay. 1. 11. 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6. 6. Next number is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. Then 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is possible? Okay, possible. Okay, 7 minus 4 is? 3 is the answer. 3. Answer is 35 is the answer. Write it. Okay, next one. Next one is C. 78 minus 19. 78 minus 19. Okay, only two numbers, 2-digit numbers, ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay. Here 8 minus 9 is possible. 8 minus 9 is possible. Yes or no? No. Okay. Then borrow 1 from 7. Cut 7 is here. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then here 18. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. Answer is 9. Answer is 9. Okay. 9. Next number is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. 9 is the answer. Next. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. Answer is 5. Okay. 59 is the answer. 59 is the answer. Okay. Okay, good. Next one. Arrange in columns and subtract. Arrange in second one. Arrange in columns and subtract. And before that, remains are your homework. D, E, F, G, H and I is your homework. Okay. Second one is arrange in columns and subtract. Arrange in columns and subtract. Okay. All of you take your note. All of you take your rough note. Arrange in columns and subtract. Arrange in columns and subtract. A. First one is A. 72 minus 36. 72 minus 36. All of you listen here. Arrange in columns and add. In columns, ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay. 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 is possible. Sorry, 2 minus 6 is possible. It is possible? Oh, no. Not possible. 2 minus 6 is not possible. Okay. 2 minus 6 is not possible. Okay. Okay, borrow 1 from 7. Cut 7 here and write 6. Then cut 2 here. 12. 12 minus 6 is? 12 minus 6 is? Okay, 6. 12 minus 6 is? 6. Then here 6. 6 minus 3 is possible. Okay, possible. Okay. 6 minus 3 is, we get the answer. 36 is the answer. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Next one is B. Next one is B. 48 minus 19. 48 minus 19. 48 minus 19. Only two numbers. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay. 8 minus 9 is possible. 8 minus 9 is possible. Okay, no. Not possible. Okay. Then here borrow 1 from 4. Then here 3 and cut here 8. 18. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. 9. Then 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Answer is 3 minus 1 is? Answer is 2. I will explain one more time. 18 minus 48 minus 19. 48 minus 19. 8 minus 9 is not possible. 8 minus 9 is not possible. Here borrow 1 from 4. Borrow 1 from 4. Cut 4 here and write 3. Because 4 minus 1 is 3. Then here 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Then 3 minus 1 is? Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Okay. We get the answer. 48 minus 19. We get the answer. 29 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Third one, C. 91 minus 57. 91 minus 57. Ones and tens. 91 minus 57. 1 minus 7 is possible. 1 minus 7 is possible. Not possible. Okay. Okay. Then borrow 1 from 9. Borrow 1 from 9. Okay, cut 9 here and write 8 because 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9, borrow 1 from here, write 11. Then 11 minus 7 is, 11 minus 7 is, you just say 11 minus 7, 4. Okay, 4. 7, next number is 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, next one is 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 3. Okay, answer is 3. Okay, 34 is the answer. All of you right? Okay, remains are your homework. Students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.